Regain Review: My honest experience with online couples therapy in 2025. Relationships take work and sometimes you need professional guidance to make them stronger. That's where Regain comes in, one of the most popular online couples therapy platforms today. After trying it with my partner, here's my honest experience in 2025. Most people think online therapy can't match real in-person sessions. But the surprising truth about Regain is how personal and effective it feels, even through a screen. From the moment we signed up, the platform asked detailed questions about our relationship goals, communication issues, and preferences. Within 24 hours, we were matched with a licensed therapist who specialized in relationship dynamics. Sessions could be done through video, chat, or messaging, perfect for couples with busy or different schedules. Our therapist helped us navigate common problems like miscommunication and conflict resolution. What I appreciated most was the convenience. We could message our therapist anytime between sessions and she'd respond thoughtfully within hours. Pricing starts around £2 per week, depending on your therapist and location. It's not cheap, but it's still much less than in-person therapy, especially for couples. The only downside is that insurance typically doesn't cover it and you share one joint account with your partner, so there is no privacy for individual messages unless you request separate sessions. Overall, Regain offers accessible, flexible, and genuinely helpful couples therapy. It may not replace traditional counseling for everyone, but if you're looking to improve communication or rebuild trust from home, it's one of the best options in 2025.